Okay, so today I'm going to present my system, which is the adding machine. First of all, the main objectives of this system is to better understand the assembly language, to boost my system designing knowledge, and also to gain experience on my path to the engineering career. Over here we have the circuit design for this system, which contains the hex 7 segment display, which is powered by 7 LEDs. As you can see in the diagram, it shows A, B, C, D, E, F, G, which represents each LED. The next is our flowchart. This flowchart will show you the how this adding machine works. Well, as displayed in this report, you can see the start. From start, we have the number of switches. Then if switch 1 turns on, then it shows displays 1. But if not, it goes to switch 2. If switch 2 is turned on, it displays 2. And if it's not on, then switch 3, it goes to switch 3. And if switch 3 is on, it displays 4. And finally, if switch 3 is not on, then it shows switch 4. And if switch 4 is on, then it displays 8. Then it also has a if statement where if multiple switches are on, then what it does is it adds all the switches together and it displays the sum of switches. This is the coding for the program. Okay, now and for these our results which we came up with when we run the system for trial and error. So the first one is, as you can see mentioned here, it shows the letter E. Well, that is because in this test we run switch number 2, 4, and 8. And since this is an adding machine, it adds up all together. So 2 add with 4 and 8, which gives us 14. So 14 in hexadecimal is E. That's why it's displaying E. Then as for the next one is displaying as B. Well, as we all know, in hexadecimal, B is equal to 11. So the switches which were on is 1, 2, and 8. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8, 11. So it displays B. And the following one is it displays 1. That's because only switch number 1 is on. Next, it displays number 8, and that is because switch 4 only is on. So when, as shown in the flowchart before, when switch 1 is on, when switch 4 is on, it displays number 8. The next final one we have, it displays 0 because none of the switches are on, therefore it displays 0. Okay, as to conclude, we succeed in achieving our objectives as we were able to use the software in our machine system. It clearly shows the adding system functions successfully, and with this project it gives us a better understanding of the designing language and with this project it gives us a better understanding of the assembly language and boosts our knowledge in designing system. So with all this, it will have an effect and give us more experience in this engineering career. So with this project, I conclude that all objectives have been met. Thank you very much. I'm Jason Singh, student ID EB18210.